Do you know why Puppy Linux is the best?
Puppy Linux is not in the top 10 distributions. Mint and Ubuntu top that list, while Fedora and OpenSUSE rate higher based on the number of downloads.
Says who?
Says DistroWatch, a website that watches how many distributions get downloaded each week.
I've heard that it is really great.
Puppies and babies are cute, so it may gain fans because of the cute names. Kind of like those who say mint is sweet.
Java is full of beverage references like CoffeeScript. But the name isn't enough to make it popular.
Puppy Linux has a simple desktop environment, but more importantly, it has a simple kernel that can be run on PCs whose IBOS won't run other Linux kernels.
So you can run it on the 486 you couldn't bear to part with.
Or you can use it on the system you still have running Windows XP and still get to run all the other software you want because it doesn't use up all the CPU.
It also does not have all the Amazon links that Ubuntu's Unity added.
Give it time, and someone will leash this puppy, once it has big enough market share to attract attention.
At least Puppy Linux kept the strong points of Linux like the central utilities like an internet connection wizard.
A PC that can't connect to the internet these days is called a doorstop. While Puppy Linux has a VNC tool, it doesn't have the permits for it until you install it.
Then you need to install third-party applications to run a lot of tools.
The advantage is that you can choose what you install, and select what doesn't take up all the resources or create problems.
There's going to be a learning curve with any new critter.
At least you can put this OS on a leash.